All right, I wanted to show you this system for heating up your room to kill all bed bugs and bed bug eggs. This is a homemade system, but it works great. Let me show you what it is. It's a hand cart, 3 house heaters with a timer. It's also got a thermometer built onto it right over there. 3 household fans that will circulate the air. Got another one down here. So it's important to blow them upwards so it gets the heat coming back down. Just keep this circulating, going around. So it's set at 120 degrees. 120 is good. One thing you got to watch out for is your sprinkler system. If you have a sprinkler system, what that is there is a double-walled insulated coffee cup. Has a little bit of ice in the bottom. It's held up by a pole on the ground. So plug this in, get it up to 120 degrees, thermostat right there. You got to watch out not to blow your breakers. May have to run an extension cord from another area into the room, which we have done. You watch your thermostat, get it up to 120, leave it there for some time, and you're good to go. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.